Hey guys, welcome back to Manicaro Custom Guitars. And today I'm going to do a little follow-up of my previous video, in which I modified my CNC to get more speed in the cutting feed rate. So let's roll the intro and we can begin. So basically I'm going to do a test cut. But instead of trying out on a nice piece of ash or mahogany, I'm going to cut a guitar template. So let's go in Fusion so I can talk you through some of the settings for this cut. Okay guys, so here I am in Fusion 360 and this is the template that I'm going to cut. This is made of 5/8 MDF. So let's head up to the manufacture tab and do our setup. I don't like to leave stock. I'll change my Y direction. Wait, is that the same? Y will use this face, and the box point, I'm going to put it at the end. And hit OK. Now, to the contour, choose this lower edge. Tools, 8mm. Okay, now cutting feed rate. This is set up as a 1000 as a standard, but I'm going to put it 2000. I'm going to start with a 2000 cutting feed rate. Hit OK. And now I like to modify it after. So geometry. Usually I will make tabs, but in this case I will just screw down the remaining material and then just remove it for the finish cut. So tabs I'm going to leave it. Heights don't touch. Passes. Multiple depths. 2.5. Stock to leaf. 0 on the axial. 0.2 on the radial. And I take out lead in and lead out. Plunge will be better. And keep tool down so it won't go up every time you do another pass. Hit OK. And the toolpath is generated. Now I want to do a finish pass. This time I'll choose my best bit, which is the spectra. I won't go with a multiple. Actually, yes, I think I'll go with a multiple depth as well. 48369. I always go with a 1/3 of the actual cutter diameter for multiple depths. Keep tool down. This time I'm going to leave lead in and lead out, so I won't get burning spot when the tool is plunging into the wood. Okay. Oh, I forgot to change the feed rate, which is feed rate 5.8. Ooh. Like that. As you can see, that cutter is at 5000 because I put the information from the website. Still not at its optimum feed rate, but for now I'm going to try with a 2000 feed rate. Now that was a great success. So guys, if you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button or else drop a comment down below. If you're new to this channel and you're enjoying what you see, please consider subscribing to my channel. I do guitar and CNC related content, and hit that notification bell so you all be aware about my future releases. And until the next time, take care and goodbye.